Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 R8, a heritage of performance, luxury, and exquisite detailing. That, quite simply, is what the R8 is all about. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: mid-mounted engine, power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, power brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.